Hey guys, my name is Bhumnejal Singha and you're all tuned up to my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So today I'll be teaching you the basics of Photoshop. To get things started, this is my first video. In this video I'll be teaching you on how to open a new window and how to move files onto the new window that we've created. So to do that we need to create a window. So for that you can click on create new or file. Either way you go, you'll be all prompted to this window. You can name this window into your choice. I would name it as project 1. So here you go. I would keep all the other settings as default settings. If you want, you can change the width and the height according to your preferences, but make sure that you keep the width and the height in pixels, as pixels is the SI unit in photography. And I would also keep the resolution as 300. If you want, you can change the color, the background color. You can select any color you want, but I would go with white. And just when you're done, just click OK. This is the window in which you would start working on. To your left, you can see all the tools available in Photoshop, and to your right, there would be other toolbars such as color, swatch, gradient, and patterns. And down, you can see layers, channels, and paths. I'll explain each and every toolbar separately in a separate video. But for today, I'll be teaching you the basics of creating a new window and to drag in a picture. So you can see there's a padlock sign over here. You can move anything inside the window. If you have the padlock sign on, you can turn it off by double clicking it off. So for now I'll just keep it locked. So to open a file, you can just click on file, open, and I'll select this picture. This picture was taken in Motor Show 2019 in Sri Lanka. So if I want to move this picture, I can just drag it and drop it. Just make sure that you keep holding to it, otherwise you won't be able to place it on this. When you see this plus sign inside the square, just let it go on the window that we already created. Just press Ctrl and T, where you can change the width and the height of the picture. If you are using Photoshop 2020, you don't need to press the shift. Otherwise, make sure that you press the shift. Otherwise, the dimensions of the picture would not be changed according to the other dimensions. So now we placed the picture on the window. So now you can do anything that you like with the picture. You can write on it, draw on it, anything else. In my next video, I'll be teaching you on how to cut a subject and change its background. Till then, see you. By the way, if you want one of your pictures to be in my next video, I would leave my email address in the description down below. Email it to me and I'll choose one of your pictures to be in my next video. Till then, signing off, I am Bhumnejal Singha. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you will receive a notification when I post a new video.